Once upon a time, there lived a king of Moravia with his wife, Queen Magenta. In the middle of winter, Queen Magenta bore her first daughter, called Snow White. While the child was born, the queen died. So, the king took himself another wife, Morgiana. She had a wonderful mirror on her hand. Not for a long time, the presence of Morgiana became a disaster for Snow White. And the story just began. The queen swung her wand toward the mirror, then a face appeared.
Queen Morgiana, please tell me. My texts I'll answer your questions. Do whatever you ask.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the first one of all?
Great Majesty, you know that every word I say is true. Throughout the land, I promise, there is no one as firm as you.
There! What did I tell you? No one is lovelier than me!
This is true for now, but time changes things. You'll see.
My beauty never alters! What change do you mean? Nobody in my kingdom is as fair as me. Morgiana, the queen of Moravia! Ha 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 ha!
Snow White of her. You should beware for her when she comes of age. Could be the fairest of the fair.
Shut up! Begone, old fool! Begone! I will not listen to your lies! If Snow White grows more beautiful, I'll make sure she dies!
Queen Morgiana felt so angry, so she called his loyal hunter. Then the hunter entered the room.
Hunter! Hunter! Come!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Take Snow White to the forest and kill her! Bring me back her heart!
Are you sure, Your Majesty? Snow White is so beautiful. Why do you want to kill her?
Are you brave enough to defy the command of a queen?
Yes, Your Majesty. I will do it.
Beautiful day, beautiful flowers.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I can't do this. Go deep into the forest. Hurry!
What's wrong?
This is the doing of your stepmother. She requests one to have you killed, Your Highness. But I can't do this.
You're so nice, uncle. Thank you. Be careful because you could be punctured by her four-legged. See you, uncle.
Snow White immediately ran away from the hunter into the forest. In return, the hunter killed a wild boar and took its heart and gave it to the queen.
Your Majesty, this is the heart of the princess, Snow White.
Ha 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 ha! Finally, I can become the most beautiful woman in this kingdom.
Meanwhile, Snow White in the forest.
Oh no! I've run very far in the forest. I don't know what to do.
When she was about to walk, her eyes caught a building like a little house.
Wow, this house is so beautiful. Everything is mild and very clean.
When Snow White ventured further into the house, she discovered a dining table with all sorts of food on plates.
Oh, I'm very hungry. Is it okay if I eat all of this food?
Because she was very tired, without realizing she had taken a lot of food and drinks there. And suddenly she fell into a deep sleep on a small bed. Suddenly, a group of people came into the house. Turned out, they were three dwarfs.
Who sat on my chair?
Who ate my bread? Who used my fork?
Who drank my soy milk?
Who ate from my plate?
Hey, who ate my vegetables?
You guys looked there.
The three dwarfs looked away at Snow White, who was asleep. They approached Snow White.
Oh God, how beautiful this child is. Look at her skin as white as snow.
Look at this too. Her lips are as red as blood and her hair as black as ebony. This child is truly beautiful. Where does she comes from?
The three dwarfs exchanged glances, thinking about how a young girl could have ended up loose in their dwelling. But instead of finding answer, they actually woke Snow White from her dream.
Calm down. Don't be afraid of us. We won't hurt you.
Crack! What is your name, young girl?
My name is Snow White.
How did you get lost all the way to our house?
My stepmother tried to kill me when I was in the forest, but someone asking my stepmother to let me go, and I ran away until I did not really kind her.
Fine, if you will look after this house for us and cook, make the bed, wash, sew, knit.
And make sure everything is clean. Then you can stay with us.
And you will get everything you want.
Of course, White bless her.
Since that day, Snow White has lived happily with the dwarf. Meanwhile, in the kingdom,
Magic Mirror, who is the most beautiful woman in this kingdom?
Of course, you are my queen. However, Snow White's beauty in the deep with the dwarf is 1,000 times more beautiful than you.
That person has lied to me. I know what to do.
With this poison, Batagor, you will die. I have disguised my appearance. For sure Snow White will not notice. No, I will go to the dwarf's house.
the queen went to the dwarf house quickly, using her magic. When the queen knocked,
Sorry, I can't allow anyone to enter this house.
Would you like to taste my Batagor?
No, I cannot keep any objects from foreigners.
Are you afraid of being poisoned?
unfortunately, the only thing that was poisonous was the Batagor held by the queen. The Batagor had been given a potion by the queen. Suddenly, when Snow White ate the Batagor with one bite,
White, with skin as white as snow, lip as red as blood, and hair as black as ebony, the dwarfs won't be able to wake her up. Goodbye, Snow White. Ah, magic mirror! Who is the most beautiful in this land?
Of course, it is you, my queen. Of course, the most beautiful in this land.
It's me! Ha 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 ha!
Several hours passed after Snow White was poisoned by unknown wizard. The time has come for the dwarf return home. They were very surprised when they saw Snow White lying weakly on the ground.
Snow White, wake up. What happened to you? Oh no, she's dead.
The dwarf still can't believe this incident. They are still staring at Snow White for a long time, hoping that a miracle will come for them.
Snow White, wake up, talk to us, we beg you.
Nothing. There wasn't any movement from Snow White to indicate a response from her. She's really dead, but for some reason her body is still warm and not stiff. Her cheeks are still as red as a cherry. The dwarf laid Snow White on a pile of hay. They sat beside her and wept over the girl for 3 days. They sat in next to the girl, then cried over her for 3 days.
Let's take a coffin and put it in a safe place so we can take turns looking after it.
Then the dwarf took the coffin for their beloved girl. One day, the prince was passing through the forest and accidentally found a chest on the mountain with more beauty in it.
What do you want? Get out of here.
Listen, old dwarf. I will not hurt you all.
Then, what are you doing here?
Let me have this coffin. Then I will give you everything you want.
We won't give it, even if you pay us with real gold.
Please, let me have the coffin. I will honor her my dearest possession.
Their good dwarf took pity upon him and gave him the coffin. And now the prince had it carried away. They stumbled over a tree stump, and with the shock,
You're with me. You're safe with me now.
the poisonous piece of Batagor came out of
They thought about promise and loyalty. They live happily ever after, and this is how the story ends. Meanwhile, the queen also get her karma. And yeah, this is how the story ends.
Put jangan telepon.
wait for the answer.
Kebangun. Bar, cepet bar. Cepet cak. Cepet cepet. Snow White in the forest.
Ethan, if you hate